Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. Okay, so we had already learned chapter 1st, 2nd and 3rd of computer in previous video. So today I am going to explain you about the chapter first revised explanation. Okay, today we will study again chapter first as a revised explanation. So please listen to me carefully. See here, the chapter first is introduction to IPO. You know the full form of IPO? IPO stands for input, process, output. IPO stands for input, process, output. See here, in this we have to study about two topics, that is first one is working of a computer and second is advantages and limitations of a computer. These two topics are there about which we should be learn. So okay, see here, know what is a computer? A computer is a smart machine. A computer is a smart machine. It follows the commands given by a user. A computer has four main parts, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Each part of a computer performs different functions. So what is a computer? A computer is a electronic machine, or we can say a computer is a smart machines. Okay, a computer always work and always follow the commands, whatever the commands given by the user. A user who use the computer, who gives the command to the computer, and computer follow that commands. And our computer always work on the parts of a computer on which a computer work, that is there the main four parts are there of a computer, that is CPU, keyboard, mouse and monitor. We have four main parts of a computer, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the four main parts, and each parts of a computer performs their different functions, means each and every parts have their different roles to do their jobs and whatever the functions. See here, next is that is working of a computer. Working of a computer. A computer works in three steps. A computer works in three steps, that is input, processing, output. Input, processing, output. This input, processing, output is known as the IPO cycle. These three steps on which a computer works is also known as the IPO cycle. It means input, processing, output cycle. So come to the next topic, that is step first, input. Step first, input. The word, numbers or symbols entered into a computer are called data. Whatever the words, numbers or symbols entered into a computer by the user is known as data. The order given to a computer are known as instructions. Are known as instructions, means whatever the orders given to a computer by the user who is using the computer are known as instructions, and whatever the word, numbers or symbols entered into a computer is called data. Clear? See here, next, input is the data and instructions given to the computer. Input is the data and instructions given to the computer. Whatever the data instructions given to the computer by the user is known as input. Is the known as input. You can enter data and instructions into a computer through input devices. You can enter data and instructions into a computer through input devices like keyboard, mouse and microphone. It means with the help of keyboard, mouse and microphone, which is known as the input devices, with the help of this particular input devices, a user can enter data and instructions into a computer. Come to the now, this is the first step, that is input. Now come to the step second, that is processing. That is processing. See here, processing. Processing is the action of converting the computer gives the result. Processing is the action of converting the input into meaningful informations or results. Means whatever the meaningful informations or results given to the computer, whatever the actions taken by the computer on that particular inputs and convert is known as the processing. Whatever the actions taken on the input is known as the processing. The process of converting input into output is done by a processing device. Whatever the data instruction given to a computer, on that the processing means it takes an action of converting the input into a output is done by a processing device. It is done by to convert the input into output is that process is done by a processing device. And the processing device is what? It is a CPU. A CPU is a computer's only processing device. A CPU is the only computer's processing device. There is only one processing device, that is CPU. CPU is the only CPU is a computer's only processing device. You know, CPU stands for what? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Come to the step third, that is output. First step input, second is processing. Now third is that what? That is output. That is output. Okay. After processing, the computer gives the results. Whenever the user gives the data and instruction to the computer, that is input. Whatever the actions taken by the computer, that is process. And whatever the results give results after processing, whatever the results given by the computer, that result is called the output. That result is called output. The output is given on monitor, speaker and printer. It may be any kinds. The output should be, we take output on a monitor, on a speaker or on a printer. Okay, there are many activities in our day-to-day life which also follow the IPO cycles. Except this input processing output, we have many activities in our daily lives. In our daily lives, we have many types of activities, okay, which also follow the IPO cycles. Here, for examples, I will show you. See, first one is that is to wash cloth. To wash cloth. See here, in to wash clothes, input. Cloth is input. We have put it in a washing machine and washing machine is processing. That is what? That is processing. And now the cloth is washed out, it's ready. Then it is, that is we get here, that is output. That is output. Second example is here given, to make a glass of fresh juice. In orange is a input. Okay, you are grinding it in a mixture, that is processing. Now a glass of juice is ready, that is your output. A glass of orange is input and the grinder is doing his work, taking action of an orange, that is processing. And a glass of juice is ready now, that is your output. That is your output. That is your output. I think this much you will got very well. Got it? Okay. See here, a computer's hard disk stores the input and output before and after processing. A computer have hard disk who stores the input and output before and after processing. Whatever we have given before and after that, all the input and output before and after processing is stored in a computer's hard disk. Stored in a computer's hard disk. Next come to now then point to remember in IPO. Points to remember in IPO. There are some points that we have to remember in IPO cycle. What is that? See here. Every data or instruction is input. Every data and instruction is what? Input. Every action taken on data and instructions is a process. Every action taken on data and instruction, that is input, taken on input, is a process. And the result of every action is output. Whatever the result we are getting after the action is a output. I think this much is clear for today. See here, there is some questions I have sent you as a home assignment to the PDFs. Okay, so please go through all the home assignments. And do that home assignment. You have to write it in your PC copy, and whatever the book exercises are given of chapter 1st, 2nd and 3rd, please, if you not completed, complete it in a fair copy. And home assignment should be write it in a PC copy. The hygiene should be neat and clean of your PC copy. Okay, the handwriting should be clear. You must maintain your copy well, in good manners, and do your work. Concentrate on your studies. All of you, please concentrate on your studies. Don't be loose related to studies. Okay, stay home safely. Don't go out of your house. Okay, just stay home, and please, by staying home, completely concentrate on your studies. Whatever the works are given by the each and particular teachers in each and every subject, do it well. Study also, don't write only, also learn all the question answers and exercises. So you may have to know, whenever the school will open, you have to know each and every answer when the teacher will ask you. It's okay. So then thank you. At last, thank you. And if at last, thank you to hearing me. Okay, then we will meet you in the next video. Take care. Stay home safely with Corona. Bye. See you.